Don't go use the bathroom. Come over here. Come over here. Use the bathroom. Come on. Go use the bathroom. It's raining out. Let Nova come out. Use the bathroom before the thick of the storm come through. Don't get in that road. You gonna use the bathroom? No. No. You better go use the bathroom. All right, you ready to go in the house? Come on, let's go back in the house. You don't want to use the bathroom now? You don't want to use the bathroom since it's raining?